I just made it to the sand dunes. And I'm thinking, this is a workout just getting up this hill. Look at this hill. I busted my butt earlier, but look at that view. Well, it looks like they want me to climb down. It's a good way down, and this sand is slippery. It's soft. Ugh, it's in my shoe. I'm really regretting this because I got to go back up. I already made it about halfway down. I don't know if you caught my last video, but I slid down a rock and I smelled burning rubber. And I noticed I had a hole in the bottom of my shoe. But look at this. All because of the freaking hole. I mean, I slid down the rock. Probably a half a mile. Thought I was gonna die, but I didn't. But this sand is getting all up in my shoe. I wasn't expecting such a sandy park. Let's get back to it. I'm not gonna lie, this park is awesome. I really wish I would have did some research before I came here to get the history. Look at these walls. This crap is awesome. I'm echoing. This is Valley of Fire. And actually I was driving and I saw a sign for it. That's the only reason why I'm here. Wish I can enjoy this. Been staring at my feet, I'm so tired. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for me on this one. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing and becoming part of our squad. Squad. And I'll catch you in Las Vegas on the next one.